So that's just like how it is in life. We just need to continue sometimes, even if it's hard, you know? Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle, your transgender YouTube makeup artist with a heart, yes! And on today's episode, we will be doing a product review on the Viseart Petit Pro DU eyeshadow palette. I actually got this eyeshadow palette from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last month, and I haven't filmed in 2 weeks because I actually lost my voice. I think it's from over fatigue, too much work, but you know what? As they say, the show must go on. Yes, just like what they say in Moulin Rouge. So please excuse my voice. And you know what? As a YouTuber, we need to do what we gotta do, right? So we're gonna do a review on this, and we're going to recreate this eyeshadow look right on this side as well. Yes. So by the way, today I'm just going to be weird. I'm just going to be unique because people have been saying when I started my YouTube video, I was so hyper. And then after that, people have been saying that lately I've been so demure. So you know what? We're gonna put demure and hyperness on the side. I'm just gonna be weird because you know what? Weird is cute too. It's unique. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna prep our eye with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So you can see it's almost done. And I'm going to apply that with my fingers. And we're going to apply that right on our eyelids. Yes. This is actually lately, I haven't been using an eye primer because this is what I've been using as my eye primer, and I really love it. And I also use this as my concealer as well. And I just use my ring finger. And by the way, my camera has no filter, so you see everything. So at least right there and right there, there's transparency. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this color right here, which is the first pink color, and we're going to apply that right on the inner corner of the eye, which is this part of the eye. So you're gonna press it in, and then after that, we're gonna proceed to the medium color. See, quick and easy. Now we're gonna proceed with this color right here, and we're going to put that right in the middle. And yes, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do it quick, easy, doable. Look at that, see? Very easy. We're just gonna put it there, and then just gonna blend it with the first color. And then after that, we're now gonna do the darker shade, which is right here in the middle with the same brush. This is actually from Real Techniques. And then we're gonna do again, as usual, diagonal line right here, because that will serve as our guide. And then it's going to meet the middle color. So how's everyone? I hope everyone's doing great. And thank you so much for always being here, for supporting me, for supporting our YouTube channel. And then look at that. Just going to blend it right with the middle. That's the problem, you know what, when you're like an immigrant, sometimes you run out of English. And since I haven't been really feeling good, you know what, because we have a dream that hopefully someone might learn something from this video, so we need to just do it, right? Just like what they say in Nike, just do it, yes. And then after that, we're now going to do the crease. We're gonna go back to the first color, which is this. Oh my gosh, I told you I'm gonna be weird. I feel like I'm not making any sense. So now we're gonna put that right on the crease. So half of the brush is right on the lids, half is on the crease. So yeah, so if there's actually something that I'm going to impart with you for the day, aside from our product review, is, you know what, sometimes you just gotta do things. Even if you're not feeling good, once you start it, it will actually make you feel better. And I wasn't feeling good, and I'm still not 100% with my voice, but you know what? I love doing this. So I feel like it's my promise to you that I'm gonna do product reviews. And that's the reason why we need to do it, right? So that's just like how it is in life. We just need to continue sometimes, even if it's hard, you know? So after that, because it's better to show up than not to show up, yes! And then after that, we're gonna do the bottom liner. We're gonna use the darker color as well. And this is actually the La Rouge brush. I actually got this from my Allure beauty box. Actually, among all the La Rouge brushes that I've received, this is actually the best one. And you know what? I cannot really complain because it's free. Yes, when it's free, you know what? We can't complain, right? Look at that. Makes it easy. Look at that. Quick and easy. And then after that, you know, I like to do my liner with the matte eyeshadow. So we're gonna do the purple. And that's my trick. Like, usually when I use shimmery eyeshadows, for my eyeliner, I usually like to use the matte colors because it's more solid. So we're gonna do that diagonal line again. And then we're gonna do like a little check mark. And we're gonna go back and put it on again. Believe it or not, I actually miss doing videos, making videos. But you know what? For the past 2 weeks, I felt like I just had to rest, you know, because it's really hard. You know what? When you don't really get to speak, my gosh, it's really one of the hardest things. You know, it doesn't matter what's in your mind. It doesn't matter what's in your heart. When you cannot speak, you can't speak. Yes. But today, thank God that I'm at least 65% of my voice. And yeah, so this is like therapy for me as well. And thank you to all of you. Oh my God, I keep on saying thank you. Oh my gosh. Then after that, let's clean up a little bit of the side with a concealer. Oh my gosh, I haven't cleaned this in forever. But let's keep it real. Am I the only one not cleaning my beauty blender? You know, at the end of the day, I actually say that if you're the only one who's using it, then it's not a problem. Yes. So we're gonna do it like that. And then after that, we're just gonna clean a little bit of the top part. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of my English. So just bear with me. As long as you get to see what we're doing, right? Look at that. And then after that, we're gonna create our eyeliner. So we're gonna do our gel eyeliner. I'm gonna use the MAC Black Track right here. And then we're gonna dip it in. And this is the thing too, you know what? Since we're actually doing this very spontaneous, you know what? You just need to really like, just continue with the thoughts that's in your head, you know, because we want to keep it real, and that's what they want in YouTube. They said that they want to make it real, not too scripted. Yeah, so I'm trying to really like be spontaneous. Oh my gosh, I feel like of all my videos, I'm not making any sense right now. But you know what? The good thing is you get to put some makeup. You get to see my vulnerability. And you know what? That's okay. You know what? And that's what life is all about. Sometimes it's okay not to be okay. Because if you're not okay and you admit it, you know what? You just surrender it to the world and hopefully you're going to feel better. So let's put it again right there. And this is actually one of my favorite Sonia Kashuk brushes. It's actually an eyebrow brush, but I actually use it as an eyeliner brush. We're just gonna do it right there. Then you're gonna do like little strokes. See? Look at that. I mean, seriously, it's amazing. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? I'm applying my makeup and I'm saying it's amazing. Well, please bear with me. You know what? And then after that, we're gonna do our inner bottom liner with an eyeliner. I'm actually gonna use the Pixie by Petra, and this is in Black Cocoa. I actually love their eyeliners because they're water resistant. So I'm doing it right on the waterline, right there. And then we're gonna put it as well right on the outside a little bit of the lash line to give some further definition. Oh my gosh, do you hear my voice? Gosh, look at that. Yes! So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to finish my eye makeup with some lashes and some lips, and then I'm going to give you my overall thoughts and verdict for the Viseart Petit Pro Deux Eyeshadow. Yes, and thank you for bearing with me. If you're still here right on this part of the episode, please give me a thumbs up as well, okay? I'll be right back and I'll give you my overall thoughts. Love you. And I'm back. Yes. Oh my gosh. I told you I'm going to be weird today. So now it's time for me to tell you our overall thoughts or review on the Viseart Petit Pro Deux Eyeshadow Palette. Yes. As you all know, if I could just say, there was zero fallout. And I can say also that Viseart actually is the luxury of the luxuriousness when it comes to eyeshadows. Yes, I mean, the big palette, usually they sell it for $80. And for me to get this for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I only paid $25 and I got this, that's amazing. So if I were to give this a check mark, it is Check, check, check. Yes, triple check. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's something new. Triple check. Yes. So there you go. And if there's something that I want to impart for you today is it's okay not to be okay. And you know what? Whether you're in your stage of recovery or whether you're still not feeling well, that's okay too. Because at the end of the day, what you feel is what matters. It doesn't matter what other people say. What matters is how you acknowledge things and how you feel about things. And I want you to know that I'm there with you. Whether you're not feeling well or whether you're feeling well, I want you to know that I care about you. See, just like me, I don't feel well. I'm not 100%. Maybe I'm on 65. Maybe tomorrow I'll be 70%. But you know what? The show must go on, right? Sometimes we just need to show up. And there you go. So without all my nonsense, again, my name is Alicat Castle. If you enjoy this product review, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, as well as my new episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I actually discuss a specific topic, please consider subscribing as well. And again, always remember, you are beautiful and you are worthy of all the great things that this world and this universe has to offer. I love you so much and I'll see you again soon. Bye!